State health officials are expecting more monkeypox cases to pop up in Alabama after 2 cases were reported Friday.
News 19 State Capitol reporter Maddie Beertemple asked doctors about the risk here in Alabama and when the state will be getting vaccines.
State Health Officer Dr. Scott Harris says Alabama will be getting 500 to 600 doses of the monkeypox vaccine any day now. The vaccine, called Jynneos, wasn't made for monkeypox, but is expected to work.
The issue is that because, it was made for smallpox and there's no smallpox, there just wasn't much of the vaccine around. And they're trying to ramp up production, but there's not very much of it.
The doses Alabama is receiving are part of the first round of allocations from the Strategic National Stockpile. Harris says the public risk right now is low.
It's something that we want people to be aware of. It's not something that we want them to be alarmed about or worried about.
The virus spreads mainly through intimate skin-to-skin contact. It can cause a rash with raised spots and flu-like illness. As of Monday afternoon, no more cases have been reported in Alabama, but that's expected to change.
There's been 2 so far, but we certainly believe that there's going to be an increase.
Jefferson County Deputy Health Officer Dr. David Hicks says once vaccines are widely available, who gets one will depend on exposure and immune system risks.
We're not talking about having the general public to come and get vaccinated, but it's going to be targeted vaccinations based on individual risk.
Mobile County Health Department Dr. Renty Murphy says they're staying vigilant in recommending people monitor their behaviors, especially when it comes to close, prolonged physical contact.
If you are in settings where you maybe have anonymous sex or group parties or a lot of people mingling, or if you meet people on a dating app or those types of things, we really want you to be aware that you may be at higher risk.
If you think you've been exposed, Murphy says to talk with your healthcare provider for testing. Now, as of the latest available data by the CDC, roughly 1,800 cases have been reported in the U.S. In Montgomery, Maddie Beertemple, News 19.
U.S. health officials also announced orders of 5 million more doses, but most of those will not arrive until next year.